Welcome in all my friends, Lazy Retired Granny. And it's 7 o'clock p.m. on Saturday, June 10th, 2023. This is going to be a short video. Number one, I'm testing out the sound on my phone because I guess it's picking up all kinds of background noises that I didn't know. I went back to watch a video of mine and it's like, wow, you can hear the car noises because I have the door open. You can hear Ellie drinking her water. I had no idea because I do not watch my videos. So I'm seeing with the door shut if that cuts down on that background noise. As far as Ellie drinking her water, that's doesn't happen all the time, but you can hear her slurping. The second thing I wanted to say, is that if you are uploading videos and then all of a sudden you can't upload videos because there's no more space, you need to make sure on your phone you go into the gallery and delete all that stuff because it will save it. When I first started doing videos, all of a sudden I couldn't do videos anymore. And so I went to my son and he goes, well, are you deleting them? And I said, yes, I'm deleting them. And even though after I'd done the video and then I pressed, delete, no, it just deletes it from that one part on your phone. You have to actually go into gallery and delete them there. And you want to delete them, and then you go up to the little button then and press it. On my phone, it's on the right. And then you have to delete them again from your trash because it just deletes it. And then you go into your trash and it'll list all the stuff in your trash bin. And you have to press all those that you want to delete. And then press, trash. So just an FYI, if anybody's having problems that record off their phone, that's what it is. So if you have any questions on that, leave me a comment or a message. And I'm not very good at the phone. All I know is what's on my phone. So anyway, that's my suggestion to so you're able to do more videos. Okay, so this is just a sound test right now. So back to diamond painting. See ya.